Hi friends, welcome to current top winner at Civil Service Academy. So today we will be dealing with current affairs. Okay, so Mary Saheli. What is Mary Saheli? So Indian Railways has launched the Mary Saheli initiative. So it is focused on the security of women across all zones. Okay, it is main focus is on security of women. Okay, what is it's an initiative by Railway Protection Force (RPF). Right, it entails or interaction with lady passengers, especially those traveling alone by a team, of young lady RPF personnel at the originating station. Right, these lady passengers are briefed about all precautions to be taken during the journey and told to dial 182 in case they face or see any problem in the coach. Right, so first of all they will be guided by a team of lady RPF. He's a person or a lady is uh, is traveling alone. The platform duty RPF personnel at the stopping stations and route keep unobstructed watch over the concerned coaches and berths, and if need arises interact with the lady passenger. Okay, there will be a person or a RPF person, so there in the last stations, so they will be interacting if necessary. That person will be interacting with the lady passenger, so that is a scheme. Next is Dharani portal. Okay, what is Dharani portal? It is an online portal which is a single platform for accessing records related to the lands in Telangana. Right, it's in Telangana. So here you will be getting online all the land records in online platform. It serves as a single source of truth for all land parcels and discharge all land related functions in an integrated, efficient, and effective manner with all actions on a near real-time basis. It is developed by National Informatics Center. Dharan is a new integral land record management system that combines land administration and registration services. Okay, next is Serve Power Scheme. What is Serve Power Scheme? So before that, why in news? Because Union Minister of Science and Technology has launched the Serve Power, means promoting opportunities for women in exploratory research scheme, which has two components of fellowship and research grants. Okay, so what is promoting opportunity for women and in exploratory research? That is SERB Power Scheme. What is SERB? It is Science Engineering Research Board. That is SERB, Science Engineering Research Board, Science and Engineering Research Board. That is SERB. It is a statutory body of Department of Science and Technology of Government of India. Right, it's a scheme designed exclusively for women scientists to mitigate gender disparity in science and engineering research in various science and technology programs in Indian academic institutions and research and development laboratories. Right, it will serve a benchmark of recognition in the national scenario and will empower women scientists and cultivate a women-friendly culture and ensure more women in leadership position in decision-making bodies. Right, what Serve Power Fellowship target? See, women researchers in 35 to 55 years of age, up to 25 fellowships per year, and not more than 75 at any point of time. Right, and the components of support. See, fellowship of Rs 15,000 per month in addition to regular income. Okay, research grant of Rs 10 lakh per annum, overhead of Rs 90,000 per annum, that will be given. So 3 years, duration is a 3 year without a possibility of extension once in a career. That is duration. And secure application for internet site. See, who launched it? It is launched by Indian Army. It is a messaging app called a secure application for internet. Right, it is launched by Indian Army. It will provide secure voice, text, and video calling services to its soldiers. Right, so application supports end-to-end secure voice, text, and video calling services to the Android platform over internet. Then Green Delhi app. See, the app can be utilized or used by the citizens to bring pollution causing activity to the government's notice. Okay, so citizens of Delhi, they can report pollution causing activity to the government. The Green Delhi app aims to keep a check on rising air pollution in Delhi and bring pollution causing activities to the state government's notice. Then Chandi Padavo Festival. Okay, what is Chandi Padavo Festival? It is Chandi Padavo is an occasion when Surtis, that means Surati people or Gujarati people from Surat, enjoy a popular local variety of street, ghari or bushu, namkin. The festival falls on the day after Sharad Purnima, the last full moon day in the Hindu calendar. Okay, so the festival arrives on the Sharad Purnima. Okay, day after Sharad Purnima. Rural Development Fund. Why in news? So there was a tussle between central government and the Punjab government over Rural Development Fund. That is the issue. The issue was that the Union government had decided to withhold Rural Development Fund, rural development fee from Punjab. Okay, so Union government was not ready to release that fund for or fee for Punjab, and it has asked the Punjab government to explain its utilization of RDF, Rural Development Fund. So these actions has enraged the Punjab government, right? So what is that Rural Development Fund? It is a 3% cess levied on the purchase or sale of the agriculture produce under the Rural Development Fund Act 1987. Okay, it is a 3% cess levied in purchase of this or sale of agriculture produce under the Rural Development Fund Act 1987. This is executed by Punjab Rural Development Board with the Chief Minister and its chairman. Right. Then Aramb Initiative. What is Aramb Initiative? It's an initiative to bring all the probationers of All India Services, Group S, Central Services and Foreign Services together in a common foundation course. Okay, common foundation course with the vision to break the silos of department and services from the very beginning of the career of a civil servant. So Aramb aims at making the civil servants capable of leading the transformation and work seamlessly across department and fields. Okay, if a civil servant is changing his department, so he has to work seamlessly. Okay, very fastly, so that the time of his for the time of his inception of the work, he has to work or he has to train like that. That is the initiative Aramb. Okay, so Aramb was started as a part of the 94th foundation course in 2019, where official trainees of from 20 services participated in a week-long program at the Statue of Unity, Kevadia, Gujarat. Okay, this year the second edition of Aramb 2020 is taking place in Lebsana from 14 to 31st October 2020, in which 428 officers trainee from 18 services and the 3 Royal Bhutan services are participating. Right, then asteroid 16 site. So what is National Aeronautics and Space Administration? NASA has found out the asteroid 16 site, which orbits between Mars and Jupiter, could be made entirely of metal and its worth is estimated 10,000 quadrillion US dollar. Why? See, asteroid 16 is located 370 million kilometers away from the Earth between Mars and Jupiter. So its diameter is about 140 miles, right? It is discovered in the year 1853 by an Italian astronomer Annibale di Gaspar and was named after ancient Greek goddess of the soul, Psyche. Unlike most asteroids made up of rock or ice. See, scientists believe that Psyche is a dense and largely metallic object thought to be the core of the earlier planet that failed in formation. Okay, it's the core of the planet. So it was, but the planet could not be made. Okay, so that's about today. Thank you.